The Panphonics ADX 31U amplifier is designed specifically for Panphonics electrostatic speakers. This amplifier supports digital USB, unbalanced analog, and balanced XLR input. First, ensure you have everything you need. Connect your Panphonics speaker to the amplifier's speak-in output on the back panel. Next, connect your audio input. For digital audio, use the USB input. For unbalanced analog audio, use the aux input. For balanced analog audio, use the XLR input. Connect the power supply. Once everything is connected, turn on the amplifier. Next, select your audio input using the input channel dial. Select the correct input. The last used input is retained after powering off. Adjust volume using the front panel controls. The current output volume is displayed on the front panel. In the setup, you can select desired EQ filter and power up behavior. Hold the power button for 6 seconds to enter setup mode. Use the input channel dial to switch between power up behavior, P, and EQ filter settings, F. The amplifier offers 2 EQ presets for sound optimization. Presence, for clear, crisp sound in noisy environments. Warm, for a balanced, warmer sound in quieter spaces. Use the volume buttons to change the preset. Press the power button to save the selected preset and exit setup. To power down the amplifier, press the power button. Your Panphonics amplifier is now set up and ready to deliver high-quality audio through your Panphonics speakers. If you experience any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of the user manual or contact Panphonics support. Enjoy your listening experience.